what I want to do is I want to try something. I don't know if this is going to work, but sure, look, we'll give it a go. What I have here is just the potato peelings from those very spuds, okay? So what I'm going to do is putting these into the air fryer, covered with a little bit of oil and a bit of maybe our seasoning there again, and seeing how they get on. Now, it could be a total disaster, but look, we'll never know unless we try it, huh? I'm just going to give it a good mix around. You want to make sure that each potato peeling is covered in the oil, but also the seasoning as well, okay? Okay, this could be a total disaster, but we'll give it a go, All right. Now, let's bring our fryer in, our air fryer, okay? They're probably going to go in for maybe 10, 15 minutes max, and we'll see how they turn out. Right, I'll come back to you in a second. Right guys, so let's have a look at these potato things.
They look good.
They look great.
Can I see?
Look at those.
Yeah.
So they're just the peelings off potato, Harry.
Oh.
Right.
Did they turn into chippies?
Yeah, kind of chips. See how crispy that is? Oh my god. Right, now, finish them off. A small bit more of salt. So all we have to do is try it. See what we think. You know what?
Can I try?
Of course you can, right? What do you think, pal?
That's good.
Yeah. Air fried as well, lads. Didn't think that would work at all, I have to be honest with you. I said we'd give it a go and see how we get on, but wow, they turned out great. You have some more?
Yes.
Right guys, thanks so much. We'll leave it there and we'll see you in the next one. You want to say goodbye?
Bye.